side. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to learn about how to solve the given puzzles. So we'll just try to solve the puzzles, and along with that we will just see the puzzles first, and after that we'll try to solve it one by one. So before going to the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel. If you are watching my channel for the first time, just please hit the notification bell icon there, and what will happen if you hit the notification bell icon, you'll never miss my updates. Okay students? Now without getting late, we'll start our video. So today we are going to learn about picture puzzles. Just observe this picture. What they are asking: watermelon they given, and then they given orange, and after that they given banana, and they are asking what is the value of watermelon, orange as well as banana. So you are going to solve this, and you'll just try to answer this. Okay, now move on to the next puzzle. So it is a fruit challenge. He given here beside what is the value of one orange, one banana, and one cherry, and one apple, and one mango, and they are asking that if according to this, like, only it is purely based on arithmetic operators. So you are going to answer according to his question. Okay, now move on to the next. It is only based on three fruits, that is watermelon, banana and grapes, and they are asking what is this value, or find the value of the last one. It is also purely based on your arithmetic operators. Now we are going to solve this puzzles. So it is your first puzzle, right? Now we are going to solve this first puzzle now. So here what he given to you: watermelon, 3 twos are each watermelon has two pieces. Like that, total you have 6 pieces. 6 pieces will be equals to 36. Then what is the value of one piece? Simple, right? Division. So 36 divided by 6. So what is the answer you'll get? Yes, 6 6 are 36. So the answer is 6. So here you should write one watermelon piece is equal to 6. So here what they given for the second step. So here 2 are there. So 2 6 are 12, and here 2 same fruits. So we'll go for 2 oranges is equal to 28 minus, and this plus will go to the opposite side, it will become minus, right? So 12. 28 minus 12 is how much? Yes, 16. So 2 oranges is 16. Then what will be the value of one orange? Division. So 16 divided by 2, nothing but 8. So the value of one watermelon piece is 6. The value of one orange is 8. And now we are going to find out this one. So what is the question they given here? We already know the value of orange, so we can write this. So here I'll write 8 minus, and banana we don't know, is equal to 3. So 8 minus how much you'll subtract? You'll get 3. Yes, 5. So banana will be 5. Orange is 8, and 2 watermelons is 12, and banana is 5. Isn't it easy to you? Isn't it easy, students? And now we'll move on to the second puzzle, what we see here. and this is the second puzzle we saw. Let me just arrange properly for you. So it is very simple to us. They given here already. One orange is 7. So we'll go for here 2 oranges are there. If you observe properly here, 2 oranges are there. So nothing but 2 7s are 14 and 1 mango is 9. 14 plus 9 how much? Yes, 23. And now banana is 5, orange is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. And this answer is 23 and this answer is 12. 1 apple is 6. Here he given 2 apples. So 2 6 are 12. Minus 1 cherry is 3. And here 2 cherries are there. 2 3s are 6. 12 minus 6 how much? Yes, 6. So here the answer is 6. 1 banana is 5 and here 2 bananas are there. So 2 5s are 10. Minus cherry is 3 is 7. 1 apple is 6 and 2 oranges are there. 2 7s are 14. 14 6 are or 6 14s are. Both are same. 84. So the value of this will be 84. Yes or no, students? And now we'll move on to the next puzzle. This grapes, watermelon and as well as banana. So this puzzle is having very big numbers, no? By seeing these numbers first we will get confused. But actually nothing is there in this numbers. Just you people can solve it so easily. I'm just changing the color here. Okay, we'll go for pink this time. Okay, so here how many grapes are there? One, 2, 3, 4, and this is equal to 1000. So 4 grapes will be equals to 1000. Then 1 grape will be equals to how much? Simple division. 1000 divided by 4. Now we will do divide. So 4 table 10, 4 2s are 8, 10 minus 8 is 2 and 0 will come down. 4 5s are 20 and then next 0 will come down. 4 zeros are 0. So the value of this 1 grape will be 250. And here how many are there? 2 are there. So 250 plus 250. How much? 250 plus 250 how much? 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 5 10. Carry 1. 2 plus 2 4 plus carry 1 5. So this 2 is equals to 500 and this 500 will go to the opposite side. What will happen? Yes, minus. So watermelon is equal to 500 minus 500, nothing but 0. So watermelon is 0, grapes is 250 and this banana, so we should find. Now what will happen? 0 plus 250 is 250. This 250 will go to the opposite side. What will happen? 500 minus 250. So what is your answer? 250, right? So 2 bananas is 250. Then what is the value of 1 banana? We have to find out for 1 banana, right? Not 2 bananas. So again we'll go for division. Half of that. Again we will go for division. 1 banana is equal to 250 divided by 2. So half of 250 is nothing but 125. Now we will find out. So we all know that the grapes value is 250, banana is 125, again minus 250 because grapes into watermelon is 0. So we already know that we have to follow BODMAS rule for this. Yes or no? So brackets is not given here, off not given here, division symbol not there. Next what? Multiplication. So first I'll do multiplication. 250 into 0 is how much? Yes, any number multiplied by 0 will get 0. So 250 plus 125 minus 0. Next what is there? Addition. So 250 plus 125, how much? Yes, very good, 375. And leftover is subtraction. 375 minus 0 is 375. So what is the value of this question mark? 375. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class. First you try to solve your own, and after solving just show this puzzle to your friends and ask them to solve. Thank you.